Today we talk about how can you get premium on your Zello app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So you so all you have to do now, you just go down here, click here on this remaining, just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do to get premium, just click here on subscribe for here for this price here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So this is problem, so you just click on here, then it's going to show for you here when you start with here users here. So that's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.